Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to split screen on Stardew Valley PC. So, let's get started. First, instead of choosing Co-op on the main menu, select Load, where you can pick one of your saved farms. For this example, I'll select a specific farm to demonstrate. After loading into your farm, open the menu where you'll see an option to enable split screen co-op mode. Once you're in the game, you can leave your cabin if you like. Open your inventory, go to the Options tab, and scroll down until you find the Multiplayer section with an option labelled Start Local Co-op. Click on this option. With a second controller connected to your PC, press any button or the Start button specifically to join the co-op game. You'll see the second player appear on the screen as a new farmer. Set up the second player by entering a name and other settings as needed. I'll use generic names and settings for this demonstration. Now, I can control the right screen with the controller while using the keyboard and mouse for the left screen. Both players can move around independently and everything functions as usual. And that's how you can split screen on Stardew Valley PC. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interest. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description and try it out. You might end up finding your real-life player too.